everyone, and good morning both of you. Um, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Thank you.
Really?
How are you?
I'm also fine too, but I will interview about the gender and sensitivity or gender and society. Can you relate this topic? Can I briefly discuss or say some question if are okay
It's
with
okay.
both of you? Sige. I start. What name? Ano yung aral?
Fine.
Oh,
So
you can
I
start.
am Jerome Sineta, a second year Bachelor of Science in Agriculture student. It's Sonora campus. Yeah.
And
And
You?
My name is Christ Kevin Ipahayan. A criminology student, 20 years old, and I'm a famous.
Magdadirect na lang akong question kay para direct kitang halapan. Sino karuyang mauna? Sino gusto mauna?
What do you know?
Sige, ako given mo na ang question. What is gender sensitivity for you? Or gender society?
Gender sensitivity for me, like you've mentioned earlier, we are sensitive or we are aware of our gender, and we are also aware of other people's gender, what they would like for us to identify them with, if they, them, she, or he. So I believe that if we are gender sensitive, we are aware of what other people feel about their gender. So wag kung parang direct natin dapat iniimo ang mga butang na mga kasakit para
Oh,
na
sorry.
maaaring kita mga ka-affect.
And one of the importance of knowing the gender sensitivity is to avoid judgment
Yes.
from other people.
I respect that answer. So, number 2, what are the characteristics you are referred the gender is gender about related in aton ba as society? So, example, magbibigyan ko example. Asexual is dili ka nagkakagusto ka, iba na tao. Parang no oo, so daw. Same opposite or not. Bisexual, may gusto ka.
Okay.
Same,
I-identify
oo.
namin ang
Identify.
boundary mo.
Oo. Tapos, transgender is to change. Ano yung kaluyan. So, damo pa iyang mga characteristics. So, kayo kaduwa. Ano pinaka-prefer niyo dito na characteristic?
For me, I prefer to be identified as bisexual. Nagkakagusto ako nga babae, na-attract ako na lalaki. So, I can say na bagan imposible na bagan magkagusto lang ako sa gender, because sometimes kasi na-attract ako both gender. So I prefer na identified as bisexual.
Okay answer. True answer naman para yun. How about you, Kevin?
For me, gusto ko na i-identify ako in our society as a straight. Yeah, because that's me.
Yes. Okay. No reason na. Wala na extend.
Actually, that's it. Bisan man natin ang gender is mapa-gay, lesbian, or bisexual, or male or female, we can judge another person because gender is a process that is developed through our environment.
That's
Very kasalanan or mali ka. So, need to accept and respect.
Napaka-truthful ang answer niyo, Doa. I respect that. So, number 3 question. What are the challenges do you experience the most now or nowadays? So, ano ang when you hear gender and society? Ikaw,
Actually, the most and common challenges of being a straight or a male is pag lalaki ka, bawal ka daw tumangis, bawal ka mag-express ano mo emotion kay mahina ka, but mali ito because being a straight is sa nagyapon kita na ako ay human being. Wala kita emotion, na nakaka-feel kita in mga sadness. So, usa ito ng mga challenge yapon na ako is bawal ko nung tumawag sa lalaki.
So, pinaka-traditional hiya or pwede liwat yung maging conservative mismo sa mga lalaki. How about you, Jeffrey?
So for me, I think ang stereotype,
Stereotype.
yan na if you identify yourself as a bisexual, gay, or lesbian, so you are labeled as not normal. So you are not taken seriously by other people. You are being used for entertainment only. So you are not being di na kang take seriously ang ibang tao man. Ginihimo ka lang nila as papalipas oras or so dito.
So, pinaka-disrespectful ito para aton individual. So, kailangan talaga natin is
Di rin man ibisan as straight ka so dito. Kuan na lang ito mo disrespect. Pero mas dako ang disrespect kaya sa kuan. Part ng LGBT community.
Number 5 question. Okay pa? Mag-extend pa ako questions. Sige. How does gender society English shaping you as individual? Kita nga student. Paano mo siya?
What?
Di ba? How does gender society shaping you as individual? Parang i-accept mo iya. So, ganito. Nira mga perspective, nira mga
Kuan kasi it's really hard to convince other people na to accept you. So you need to accept yourself first for other people to accept you. So through acceptance, I think ito yung kalagarin na. So if we want other people to to accept us truly, we need to accept ourselves first.
What you, Kevin?
So, my answer is pwede ba iyakin mo na kanta?
Try.
Maramdaman kanta nga just the way you are and Bruno Mars.
Yes, may dahi yung mga
A simple song but has a great meaning. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. Because you're amazing. Just the way you are.
pinaka
You don't need to change yourself for other people.
Parang meaningful ang imo
Yeah.
thought. Ano yung gawa, parang may pinaghuhugutan talaga. Pero it's okay. Okay lang. Okay lang yan. Acceptance na lang siguro. Pero no regret. Okay. Say number 6. For you, what are gender stereotypes and how can you promote gender equality?
Yeah. Nasabi ko na kanina na kapag lalaki ka, bawal ka daw tumangis, di ba? So, malat ka. Kaya we are human being nga, di ba? Kaya karapatan mag-express na natin emotion. Dapat, one of the kasi na ng stereotype is hindi-judge ka nila. Kung bakit insistent ka nila standard na ikaw may lalaki na dapat strong ka, dapat dili ka ahinhin, so
Yes.
hindi ka pa feminine. But, dito ng lalaki is strong.
Strong.
May
For
mga
example,
lalaki na
ha?
soft.
Oo.
Diba?
For
But
example,
diri natin hiya ma-identify na gay or lesbian or bisexual. Asya na talaga niya personality. So, we cannot put an conclusion.
how about you?
So, I think ang stereotype na
Stereotype.
paano niya masusolve
Oo,
or
masusolve.
So, at ito na, yan kaniyang gaad ko na lang na ano sa nga gender, dili iya bagan ma-reflect or bagan magiging standard para respetuhan ko sa natao. Dili, ano sa na gender, bagan magsasabi aton kung paano ito kumilos, kung paano kita magbuhat or kung how we act or how we interact with other people. So, I think na bisan kung ano ning identify mo as gender, like lesbian or any other letters in the alphabet na lang.
Yes.
So, respect talaga is, I believe, is the number one
Oo,
thing that we
respect
should
talaga.
practice.
Thank you for your wonderful answer. Number 7. what are the alternative ways would you handle to promote gender roles? Kunyari, example ako. Gender roles as a feminine. In the future, magiging mother ako. Tapos, may responsible ako magtrabaho sa iba. Ay, magtrabaho as teacher, as worker, so ganito. Tapos, nakabuild ka mo ng family. And then, may dahi priority mother, kailangan mag-sacrifice. Do you believe na kaya nyo i-take and all risk ito nga pag family planning, kunyari mag-aalaga ka na iyong own children, so ganito. Ikaw, Kevin.
Mag-stay lang ako ay mo question nga paano ko mapopromote
Oo.
and
And gender roles.
Gender
Roles and responsibilities.
responsibility.
Oh,
So,
in future, maging father ka. Tapos, may wife ka. And then, she focused to work. But you can stay at home. Are you agree or disagree na?
I
Kailangan,
think disagree ako
Why?
because kasi it's not necessary na babae ka, habalay ka lang.
yes.
Asya kasi na ito nakadakuan, di ba? Or may, kung baga, ako as a student, as a criminal student, maghihimo ka na advocacy campaign na to promote equality and respect to all gender. Bisan ka pa maging part of LGBT or maging straight, dapat tanan kita is may the equal na opportunity para makakuha in work. Dahil ibig sabihin nga, babae ka, bawal ka magpulis. So, dahil pwede kay kung naman kaya ang babae,
Kaya nila nila.
so opposite. Kung naman kaya ang lalaki, kaya ang babae.
We should respect that. How about
I
you,
also
Felix?
agree with this idea. I believe na ang roles natin is dire dapat limited man natin gender. Sa agriculture naman, like na-relate kasi niya yun. So as agriculture student, we also practice gender equality in agriculture. So
Yes.
kung kaya mag-farm ang lalaki, dire lang limited nga lalaki lang kuan pwede mag-farm. Damo ng mga technology, we are already in the modern era. Big 26 na kita. So ang mga roles na kaya mo ng lalaki, kaya lang ng babae.
Siguro additional information ko lang. Siguro kailangan acceptance and kailangan natin maging parang pinaka
Open.
open-minded about ano ba mga challenges na nahihitabo ato generation nowadays, which is more responsibility. Tapos maging active kita. Kailangan maging respect kita sa mga parents, sa mga individuals within school, everything na nakakapag-socialize kita, dapat maanong kita ito. Naputang. Ano ba din ang answer? Okay, number 8, third question. Which agent or mga ahensya, so ganito, family, friends, or iba na yung relatives na nagiging most influence ba about gender? Parang mas nagiging parang nagiging open-minded ka mo ito. Kunyari ikaw, Kevin, nagiging masculine ka, so kailangan mo makita na lalaki ka. Tapos ikaw, Jemrix, parang bisexual ka, so hindi parang nagiging mas open ka mo. Yung makalugarin yun.
So for me naman personally, mas nagiging open ako din may sexuality ng mga friends ko. Kaya dire kasi kami ito na like a type of family na very close talaga. So when it comes to like expressing myself, my sexuality, when very awkwardly kapag iniimo ko ka akong pamilya, when I'm expressing myself kung ano talaga. So mas open ako nga i-express na akong kalagarin na akong mga sangkay since pagan mas open-minded nila kaysa na akong mga family members.
So, do you believe na if open-minded ka sa mga friends mo, hindi ka open-minded sa parents mo? Mamagutan na.
Personally, I believe in that idea, but not all naman yung mga like para sa akon is papareho naman mga sitwasyon. So may daan iba nga tao, iba na mga bisexual, iba na kuan. So mas open era family since ito man talaga ito dapat nag-start ang acceptance sa family ko before kamo i-accept na yung friends or in another
Pero,
members of the society.
so personal naman yung question. So, imo parents, mother, father mo, okay ka naman na imo characteristic or yan. Ano as a gender,
Yeah.
okay.
Kuan bagantiri ako vocally nag-express na ako kuan na sugod ako ini sugod ako ito, but the way I act napapansin man ito ni Rangan an ira liwat pagtrita ako is bagantiri makibasin sa anak man ako ni
Oh, so parang most valuable ito yung kailangan talaga.
pero dire ko talaga baga na share ira dire ko na-express vocally talaga so wala
Okay lang yan. Siguro someday or future maintindihan ko ano talaga. How about you, Kevin?
I agree kan Jim Rex in niya na mas nagagawas ko na ako ang straight side or pagiging lalaki ako mga sangkay kay nakatulad ako kuan ha called na blood is thicker than water but sometimes water is thicker than blood. So may part kasi ako ng family or ako mga relatives na for example mag-express ako ang pagiging lalaki, like for example may ipag-inom ako or may ipag-hangout ba ako puro lalaki yan. So pwede doon mga part na hindi rin nag-agree kayo una nila na ako safety. Asya bagan, minada ko na ikata na mas na-express ko na akong sarili ako mga tangkay.
So, overview mo, pero napaka-responsive and protection ng iyong family, which is better naman niya. Oo, kaya hindi mo answer. So, number 9, can gender affects to our nowadays and opportunities? Lalo na yan sa student kita. Yan ang mas challenging, di ba? Ano naman kita? Ikaw, anong year ka na? Second year, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. Ikaw, Kevin, third year. So, mas challenging ba natin role?
Actually, nakikita ko na diri. Kaya
Okay.
may nakikita na kasi ako yun ng mga sundalo na part ng LGBT.
Yes.
May daan ng mga polis na part ng LGBT. Dili na talaga ya lalaki, babae. Baga na natin kasi yan na kuan, aton kasi dira yan na is acceptance na talaga. Kung baga ikukuti-kuti na natin na matanggap. Kaya natin mindset is natatanggal na kita hand conservative.
Yes.
Kung baga naging liberate na kita. Adapt na natin ng mindset na liberated. Kumbaga, open-minded na kita tanan. That's normal kung asya mo gender. As long as diri ka nakakapag-commit ng criminal.
Amen. We should accept that. How about you, Jeremy?
So, in relation na to employment, may da naman yan ng mga agencies, mga department nga kuan very diverse na yara. Diri na yara naglilimit ang trabaho kung which specific gender lang yara tatanggap. So may daya na like anya kaniya nga mga kuan police na part of the LGBT. So before bangin kuan bagan diri pa gud i-introduce ang mga or bagan mas diri pa na i-explore ang tawag ini bagan capabilities or skills ang kuan kay natatahuban ang era gender.
Gender and with fear siguro.
Pag nasugad ito. Na pag sugad ka ini, sugad ka ito, kung mahugaw mga tao. So, yan na, mas nagiging open na, and I really like that ko, mas nagiging diverse na aton pagbagan world. Nga, mas nagiging open ang opportunity. Diri na nalilimit ako sa na gender. So, dito.
Number 10 question. What programs or activities you should can implement further to promote gender equality? Lalo na within our university in Northwest Samar State University.
So, I think, when it comes to that, disciplinal talaga ito kalagarin mo. Kay, bagandiri kasi, bagandiri mo na kailangan i-remind na iba na tao na respeto kay niya, kay kuha niya. Bagandiri na natin kailangan magkamiada ba special treatment na ira. Kailangan na natin nila i-treat as normal. Like, bagandiri na natin nila i-label na so dini na LGBT. Dapat iba natin treatment as straight. So, dapat, kung ano natin treatment ha, usa na gender, maulit na natin treatment ha, kalayo na gender. For equality talaga mo.
For me is siguro maghatag kita awareness na may dala kaso and discrimination and harassment.
Yes. Can you give me or example of harassment?
Kuan non-verbal or verbal. Gamiton, bisan ka lang tutukan malain pag naagi ka kalsada, pwede na, tapos pag ang discomfort ka mga
Yes.
kumbaga, oo, siya na itong baga non-verbal. Tapos non-verbal naman is niya ka, bagan,
Oo.
igmamak ka ba nira or
Yes.
igupan ka nira baga.
Disrespect ko talaga ito.
So,
Sabihin
dapat,
na
one of the
individual.
one of the activities na mas maupay himuon through ang eskwelahan is mag-conduct rin awareness na pag mga suwag yan nila ng mga behavior is may na batas na nagpapatupad yun, nagpapabawal ito, pwede hirap mag-police. Kaya once kasi na ano sa natao is maatman nila na mali ini kano ko pa nihimuan. Actually, kung na talagang kulang nga itong education. Kailangan na natin i-educate ang mga tao na diri na kita na okuyakuan 1980s. We are in modern era na. Kumbaga diverse na ating culture. Kumbaga open-minded na kita. So assured na ako siguro.
So, for conclude na lang siguro sa akin mga questions, siguro kailangan lang talaga natin is respect and acceptance. Yes, equality. Acceptance kung who they are, na ma-express ang ira perspective, ang ira characteristics about gender and society.
We should look beyond an era gender.
Yes.
Kailangan natin nila kinalaman. Ira as a person, not because of their gender, but because of who they are.
That's all, and thank you.
Ay, grabe.